Hello, Japan team. Yan, no? Dream Makers Worldwide Japan team. Yan, congratulations sa inyong upcoming breakthrough event, Japan Dominations. Grabe, no? Congratulations sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng organizers, leaders ng Dream Makers Worldwide Japan team. Yan. So, I'm Coach Ferds, one of the pillars of Dream Makers Worldwide. And my team, FCSIG team, the family of champion and servants, Infinite God. I'm the third diamond in the Philippines. Yan. Makikita nyo po ako sa mga Zoom presentation every Tuesday, 7 p.m. And every Monday sa ating Live Good training and recognition. Yan. So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga leaders, guests, ng Japan Breakthrough Event. Yan, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Sinimulan po natin ang Live Good Philippines last January 2023. And tremendously, grabe po, no? From 20 members, we are more than 150,000 members. Grabe. And when we joined Live Good, 5,000 pa lang po ang member globally. Right now, more than 1,100,000 members. And congratulations sa mga naka-join na. Si Coach Ferds po ay more than 10 years na or 20 years na sa network marketing business. Pero ngayon lang po ako naka-witness ng kakaibang sistema, modelo ng network marketing company like Live Good. No? We are the new model of our industry. And true enough, no, dami pong nabago buhay. Kasama po yung inyong lingkod, Coach Ferds. Grabe, dito ako nakakita ng isang network marketing company na napakadaling gawin, napakagaang gawin, napakasarap gawin. Bakit napakasarap? Ang daming kumikita. Yan, I hope isa ka na sa kumikita. Alam niyo po, ang network marketing business, napakagandang negosyo. Pero in Live Good, grabe, magugulat ka. 2 to 5 years from now, sobrang dami ng nagli-million na income. Grabe, no? So, madaliin mong mag-diamond. Narinig nyo yung training call ng company. Came from our CEO, Ben Glinsky. 2 years from now, ang Live Good members aabot ng 10 million. And if you are a diamond, hindi bababa sa $10,000 ang bonus pool. Try to imagine. Kaya, nako, napakaganda at napakalaking future po ang nag-iintay sa ating lahat. So, keep focus sa negosyo po natin. Gawin nyo lang ng tama. Napaka-importante po ng consistency. Napakadaling gawin ng Live Good. Kaya lang pumapaya ang karamihan sa consistency. Okay? So, dapat lagi kang hunger, lagi kang coachable, lagi kang willing. No? Kaya yung tatlo na yan, pag nasa puso mo, wala kang ibang pupuntahan kundi mag-diamond. Alright, so Aya Ferds at your service. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I'm here now at Baguio City. Yan, building team here, building a great leader here. And again, no, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Aya Ferds, bye-bye.
Kailangan ko rin mo dayon, sir. Hi!
Naka-video yan.
Magkopang ko na abot. Ay, hagad po kayo akong beauty.
Supported by the newsmaker Japan leaders from Lorna, si Chia, Makilani Barrios, and Mang Maria Rosana Takashima.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our team here in Japan originated from Sir Handel, Coach Handel Magnanao, and her sister, Lorna Tsuchiya. She is our upline here in Japan. She is the sister of Sir Handel Magnanao. And from her is Miss Elani Barrios and Ma'am Marian Takashima. Where are you, Ma'am Marian? Please come forward. There they are, our leaders here in Japan.
Let's have a round of applause to our leaders.
And our apology for the delay in starting our program, but we are very happy to see you here. We would like to welcome everyone, every team who are here now.
Please welcome Team Infinite Falcon Millionaires. Thank you to the coach Philip Telecio for setting Japan members headed by Nancy Yamasaki.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they were the ones who bought their tickets.
And please welcome Team Dream Big Nomaso. Headed by Pastora Gina De Jesus Araki, Ma'am Dorothy Bondo, and Ma'am Nerly Niwa. Welcome.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are the gospel ladies?
Headed by Ma'am Aida Marquez, Ma'am Leia Liano, and Ma'am Gina Joe.
We're happy to see you here.
Austin Costco, ladies.
I know that you're all busy. I think they are not here yet. Our upline team and the nearest one, I think they are not here yet. Maybe, naligaw sila. Yeah, si Sister Annalisa Caneco. Okay.
And please welcome our Japan mother team, the Rich Mayor, Japan, Ma'am Lorna Tsuchiya and Ma'am Elani Barrios.
My upline, my direct upline is Ma'am Maria Rosana Takashima.
Team Sakura.
Yes, Ma'am. Ma'am Lorelei Yokawa.
And Ma'am Elina Amoshi. Pastor Brian, Pastor Bray Adelpila, and Kings, Ma'am Jocelyn Tanaka, and Ma'am Felicidad Yamasaki. Welcome po sa lahat.
Cecilia.
Mr. Chikara Tania.
I'm so sorry, unfortunately, that Mr. Chikara Tania, he is the founder of this team, but he is now with the Lord. So, his surviving wife and his team are here with us here today, and they came from Yokohama, from Yokosuka, and no, I'm so sorry. It's me, Kamioka. So they are all from Yokohama. Welcome. And to all of us,
A hearty Live Good welcome to everyone.
Hello po. Magandang tanghali po. Konnichiwa, konbawa. Salamat po sa Team Toyokawa. Ang aga-aga niyong naglakbay mula sa norte ba yun? South, from south to north at sa Nomazu. Thank you very much po. At meron din galing ng Kyushu. Kagabi dumating ang our upline. One and only, Miss Ilani Barrios Nakada. And our Lorna Garcia. Akala ko siya yung special guest kasi napakaganda ni Ma'am. Kaya ako bigla sa suot ko dapat pala nag-gown din ako. Maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong effort at sa aking walang sawang kahit saan ako nandun ng networking, si Ma'am Tami, lagi siya nasa likod ko. Maraming salamat. Siya yung nag-iisang malapit lang mag-board, bumagsak din. Salamat po sa effort ninyong lahat at yung favorite verse ko, Romans 8:28. Alam nyo na yun kung anong ibig sabihin ng Romans 8:28. For those who love for those who love God. Ayun na nga po yun. Ninenervous po, okay, nakalimutan. Maraming salamat po at welcome to Live Good Family Tokyo!
siya po yung tinatawagan natin, Ma'am Pastora Jocelyn. Siya yung nag-help tayo. Dahil hindi pa tayo marunong noon.
Hello Live Good Family, Live Good Team Japan. Binabati ko po kayo ng congratulations sa inyo pong napakagandang event na alam ko pong magaganap ngayong araw na ito. Salamat po sa leadership ng inyo pong mga namumunong leaders, no, diyan sa lugar ng Japan. Ayan, sa buhay nila Ma'am Crescencia, nila Ma'am Marian at na iba pang mga leaders, no, na hindi ko nabanggit. And congratulations po sa mga new rank up at sa mga may posisyon na like bronze, silver, gold, platinum. And ang prayer ko may mag-diamond na, no, diyan sa lugar ng Japan. And alam niyo po, we are so much blessed, no, kasi maaga nating natagpuan itong si Live Good. Alam nyo, many are called but few are chosen. There are 8 billion peoples in the world, no? Pero alam nyo, no, iilan lang tayo na nakakita ng napakagandang opportunity dito kay Live Good. And hindi po lahat, no, na nagli-Live Good ay totoong nakita, no, ang vision ni Live Good, no? Yung napakagandang opportunity na ito. Saan ka nakakita, no, na ang gaan-gaan ng club membership fee, no? Ang mura, di ba? Pero pwedeng makapagpabago ng buhay ng pamilya natin. Kaya kayo pong lahat na miyembro, no, ng Live Good, o pati na rin yung mga magme-membro pa lang, no? Huwag niyong sayangin ang napakagandang opportunity ng Live Good. Huwag kayong pumayag na kumita lang sa Live Good. Pagnasaan nyo po na makuha nyo ang pangarap ng pamilya nyo. Yumaman. Hindi po masama na magkaroon ng maraming pera. Marami po kayong matutulungan pagka nagkaroon po kayo ng maraming pera, no? At ang Live Good po ang vehicle para mangyari po ang lahat ng yan. So, ang Live Good po ay simple mathematics. Pangarapin nyo po na ma-reach ang diamond. Kasi ang pera po nasa diamond rank. 2,500 subscriber in Live Good. Kung meron kang 5 linya, 10 linya, no? Total of 2,500 na nagsasubscribe kasi sinimulan mo, no? You are a diamond. Sipagan nyo lang po na mag-educate sa mga tao, no? Na huwag nilang pabayaan yung kanilang subscription. Wala pong back to zero sa Live Good. Ad lang po yan ng ad, no? Yung mga taong sumasali sa inyo. And sipagan nyo. Huwag kayong papayag na walang nangyayari sa inyo every week, every month. Huwag nyong hayaang lumipas ang araw na hindi po kayo nakakapagtanim sa Live Good. Let us dedicate, no, our commitment. At least 5 years in Live Good. Maniwala kayo, lahat tayo magbabago ang mga buhay natin dito. So, ngayon pa lang po, kinocongratulate ko na po kayo. Sana wala pong bibitaw sa subscription. And sana po walang mapapagod. Sana po walang gi-give up. Lagi nyo lang pong balikan yung deepest why nyo. Bakit kayo nag-live good? Lagi nyo lang balikan yung pangarap nyo sa pamilya nyo. At kailangan malinaw sa inyo na makikita nyo at matatagpuan nyo yan dito kay Live Good. So hanggang sa muli, no? Wala man po ang physical na katawan ko dyan sa Japan, no? Pero ang puso ko po ay nandiyan. So hanggang sa muli, congratulations once again sa kabuuan po ng Live Good Team Japan. Mabuhay po kayo. Saludo po ako sa inyo, sa sipag nyo, sa tiyaga nyo. And sana isang araw magkita-kita tayo muli at magkasama-sama. To God be the glory. God bless you. Kudos to all of you. Bye-bye.
ko po. At congratulations that you are all here in Live Good. You did a right decision. And para po dun sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, I am Delma Samulao, a Diamond leader here in Live Good. Isa po ako sa mga kaunang-unahang Diamond na babae, no? Babae na Diamond po dito po sa Live Good globally. Okay, so I joined February 10 of 2023. At masasabi ko po na yun po ay isa sa pinaka best decision I ever did in my life. And I thank God for guiding me all the way. Okay, so now, allow me to share to you reasons bakit po ako sobrang in love sa Live Good ngayon. That I am doing this with all passion, commitment, dedication. Okay po. And dahil po dito sa mga nakita ko pong 4 core values. Number 1, no? It's very obvious na si Live Good po is teaching us to be healthy. Okay po? Loving ourselves to health, loving our family to health. Kasi health is wealth. And that is the main factor, the main core value why I love Live Good. And number 2 is what we got to save money. We got to save a lot of money as we can see, no? Si Live Good po ay nagbibigay sa atin ng mga products at almost at cost, saving 75% than out in the market. At hindi lang po yun, tayo po ay magiging future household brand in the next 3 to 5 years. At ang laki pong benefit nun na tayo po ay member po ng Live Goods by saving a lot of money. And number 3, no? Ito po yung napaka-importante. We are doing Live Good because we want to make money. Ayan. So, sino ba naman ang ayaw po ng pera? At dito po sa Live Good, who could imagine that with a very, very small amount of capital, no? Puhunan po natin dito na pagkaliit-liit, no? Pwede po tayong kumita ng extraordinarily. And number 4, no? In doing Live Good, you could be truly a blessing to many people. We will be a channel of blessing to many people. Having all these 4 core values, nasabi ko po na grateful po ako na napunta po ako sa platform na to because kakaiba po yung in-offer sa atin po na opportunity dito po sa Live Good. And the next is, you might ask me, paano po gawin yan? I'm gonna share you 4 simple steps. Number 1 is just set up your goals, set up your dreams. Create your why, dig up your why. That kind of why na minsan pwedeng makapagpaiyak po sa inyo. Yung mga pangarap nyo po na pinagdarasal nyo, hinihiling nyo sa Panginoon, trinatrabaho nyo. If your why is very, very clear, your how to is very, very easy. And the number 2 steps that you're gonna do is you have to learn. Learn a lot, okay? Learn the basics, okay? Especially in the form of mindset, skill set, strategies, and courses of action. Learn as many as you can. And in a form of leadership. And number 3, you have to obey your mentors, obey your uplines, your coaches, particularly on GPS system. So, getting in, plugging in, staying in, okay po, allow the system to really work for us. Kasi pag nag-observe po tayo ng GPS, everything will fall into place. Okay? We will be unshakable, we will be unstoppable, and we will be dealing this kind of business on a professional way. In number 4, no? So, you have to take a massive action. So, pag ito pong 4 na to ay clearly inobserve po natin, you know what? Your success here in Live Good is waving upon you. So, kaya po, sana po meron po akong mensaheng na i-share sa inyo. And another encouragement that I would like to impart, you are in perfect timing. Sa mga guest po namin ngayon, kung sasali po kayo sa Live Good, you are so blessed. We're done on the formulation stage, on the concentration stage. Papunta na po tayo sa momentum. As we heard from the announcement of our CEO, we are given 2 years, okay, to put our energy, to put our speed and velocity, dedication here in Live Good. Because in the next 2 years, we will be having something like 10 million to 20 million members. And yan po ay makakapagpabigay po sa atin ng around $10,000 profit share on Diamond Pool. So, pretty exciting, isn't it? Diamond Pool pa lang po yun. And what else, no? In the next 3 to 5 years, we will be a household brand. So, the perfect timing, okay, is really now. Kaya, sa mga guest po natin dyan, congratulations. And, looking forward na kayo po ay makasama po namin dito po sa ating pong journey sa Live Good, global movement of changing people's lives. So, again and again, congratulations to all of you. Okay, be unstoppable, be unshakable, and see you all at the top. God bless! Bye-bye po!
goal for us. Kasi sabi nila, number one, we will be at 10 to 20 million members in the next 2 to 3 years. And number two, the Diamond Mall by that time will not be less than $10,000 per month per share. And number three, with all the action plan in place, ay siguradong goals ay po lahat yan. So, ilan yung goal natin lahat, no? Especially sa mga affiliates na dito ngayon, no? Nag-attend sa event na ito. Our goal is to become a diamond before the end of 2025. Kasi guys, by that time, no, becoming a diamond would not be as easy compared to today. Kasi ngayon,
Hello, Live Good family. Have a blessed day to all of you out there in Japan. Thank you for having me here. This is Charlene Caparoso, your upline diamond in Live Good, and I am so honored and thankful and so happy that you're inviting us with my husband to be with you there in Japan. But circumstances came in. I'm so sad that we did not make it. But we decided just to make this video to share with you a little tip, because this is only 3 minutes of having me here. So thankful and grateful that Live Good is a chance of a lifetime of becoming a diamond here in Live Good, because the income of a diamond is more than enough what we need, because we're just having a goal of having a pension of 350k pesos, but in Live Good, the company is giving us more than enough. So I'm so thankful and happy that God is using Sir Ben Glinsky to create this amazing marketing plan, and God is using Upline Vilma Sabulao to share with me this opportunity. So when we saw the Live Good marketing plan, we decided, me and my husband decided to reach to hit that diamond level. So we made a decision and asked the Lord to guide us, to protect us. And then from there, a day after we decide, we work hard, we work smart just to hit diamond. And then first thing first is just to know where you are right now. And then we decided to reach a goal of being a diamond Live Good and know where you are going. So in between of that, there is a progressive realization of what we will become and to become a diamond. So I'm so thankful and happy that in just 5 months, Noel is my husband, hit a diamond in just 5 months. And me, I hit a diamond in just 7 months, because I asked the Lord to be a diamond on my birthday. So true enough, He gave me that gift. So thank you, and that's the gift of my birthday. So God bless to us. Thank you for having me here. Bye. The income of a diamond is more than enough what we need, because we're just having a goal of having a pension of 350k pesos. In Live Good, the company is giving us more than enough. So I'm so thankful and happy.
I know that I can retire even without my profession, my business, the traditional one. In Live Good, we can have a business that really gives you a passive income. And that is my first thing that I'm here to do. For you also, because you're also thinking how we can be a diamond in Live Good. This is what my secret. First, you need to set really what you want. Set the goal that really what you want to be happy, healthy, and possibly wealthy. get this abbreviation, HSW, that is the result we want, most of us. And now, try your best. This is only just a mindset, because mostly people is thinking of it, it's impossible. If you think it's impossible, it is impossible. If you think it is possible, it is possible. Just decide. This is what I learned, that if you want something, you decide. Everything
number mo mamaya, pwedeng mahingi. Yung number mo sa
I can give you more details of this.
Bibigyan kita ng something.
Just
During the presentation immediately. And the speaker that time is Coach Fernand Santiago. To make the long story short, when Coach Fernand said, if you are a diamond in this business, you can earn $16,000 every month. And then he said, if you have 100 members and your Live Good vision, you transfer to that 100 members and they become diamonds, you can receive from the matching bonus, each one of them. So you can earn $890,000 every month, which is equivalent to 45 million pesos. When I heard that one, I remember the word ikigai, the Japanese word ikigai. Ikigai means the reason to live. What is your reason to live? Or what is your purpose in life to live in this world? And since when I was young, I realized that my reason to live is to help people in this world. So if I have 45 million pesos every month, I can help people all over the world.
Wow.
I can help people who are the poorest of all poorest. So, to all the people all over the world, and to all the people here who are not yet a member. So what are you waiting for? You must be a member right now. And then, I hope that we have the same ikigai in life. We have the same reason to live in life. And that time, we will go to help people. Because I strongly believe that to help people can make the world change. And that time, the world will make a better place to live in. That's all for today. Thank you very much.
Wow!
Thank you very much, Ma'am Lorna. Parang nasa beauty
pageant.
And next, let's so we will not tayo mag-exercise.
Sayaw Diamond! Sayaw Diamond! Yes!
sabi ni Ben, number one, we will be at 10 to 20 million members in the next 2 to 3 years. And number two, the Diamond Paul by that time will not be less than $10,000 per month per share. And number three, with all the action plan in place, ay siguradong bullseye po lahat yan. So, ito yung goal natin lahat, no? Especially sa mga affiliates na nandito ngayon, no? Nag-attend sa event na ito. Our goal is to become a diamond before the end of 2025. Kasi guys, by that time, no, becoming a diamond would not be as easy compared to today. Kasi ngayon,